Martin.
Soil and Water Conservation Minister Hamletson Dorling virtually launched the laying of foundation stone for construction of Lumumba Government Lower Primary School and inauguration of various projects under soil and water conservation implemented at Lumumba, Upper Shillong at a program organized by the Dorbar Shnong. Speaking on the occasion, Dorling stated that as a resident of the village, it is his responsibility to provide the best amenities for the development of the village as a whole. He also expresses happiness with the newly constructed government LP school, which is functioning in a dilapidated manner in previous years. The minister also expressed his pleasure in inaugurating the various projects implemented by the Soil and Water Conservation Department and also handed over computers to Lumumba Government LP School.
Kapin kindet at kapin lingo yang
Si buat tu pergi ke ya ke PNC dalam kita melihat melonji tu jangan bang semua. Dah aku buat dengan kamu. Jika ni ke report bang asli kan penhun ni pergi pada jong kami untuk si bang tipen Emily let you work something. Kan sepoi ke por kan sapelai kan pekerja ke dalam dia ke dia berkait sampai pada baru kait. Tapi ni dikam
At the 36th National